Hello everybody, this is a quick video that I've created because I'd like to show you how I use three websites or packages, software packages, combined to give the language students I teach in both English and Spanish feedback on their speaking. So the websites or the packages that I'm referring to are GarageBand, which is on the Mac, ChatGPT, which of course everybody knows now, and Happy Scribe, which is a transcription service. So I'm going to share my screen and give you a little bit more information. Next step was to prepare the role play. The role play wasn't just a random topic that I'd sprung on the students. We've been working on learning key expressions, vocabulary related to the topic of having brainstorming meetings or flexible, creative idea sharing sessions in a business context. So basically I came up with an idea. These students work in the food industry, but of course you could change the topic to something else. If you wanted to change it, let's say to another sector or another industry, you can do that by doing this. So let's take, for example, the text. Let's select the text. Let's copy it and let's remove that and say these change the sector that these students work in. And let's have a look and see. So there you go. The context has now changed. Your company, which has rapidly grown in the software development sector over the last few years, is now facing slow growth due to high staff turnover. HR has identified that one reason for this lack of attractive company perks, as competitors are offering better conditions. Fortunately, there's a budget to fund one or two perks with a preference for low-cost options. Okay, so most of the information is the same, but the material, the content has been adapted to suit the industry that these students work in. What I use ChatGPT for is to come up with the key expressions. So I've already got the key expressions in English, but just to provide extra support, I give them to the students as well in Spanish so that they can read them through, familiarize themselves with the key expressions for the discussion. Then while they're talking, I'm recording them with GarageBand, as you can see here.
To discuss and try to find ideas.
And then finally, the final stage of that is that once I've recorded it, I share the file, I export it to disk, and I upload it to Happy Scribe, which I'll show you now. Stage is to upload your audio to Happy Scribe, who will give you a computer-generated transcript. So, of course, there are some mistakes, so you might want to check through, listen again and see where the mistakes are. But with this software or with this platform, you can highlight expressions in different colors. You can make corrections and comments and things like that. Which is quite good. And you can also download a copy with the different speakers and the whole transcript to either a Word document or a PDF document, which is great. And I'll show you what you can do with that. Here's a Word document downloaded from Happy Scribe. And you can see that with the tracking feature, I've added some of the corrections to the original audio so the students can see and pinpoint some of the mistakes that they made and how they can improve. And then just for interest, I generated a ChatGPT version of their conversation, which is just here so that they can see, compare the difference between their presentation and one created by AI. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching the video.